Welcome to the Power Collab February edition in the Power Platform Learner series. In this comprehensive series, you will discover a curated collection of the expert discussion and the deep dives into the world of Dataverse, Dynamic CRM, Power Platform, and Microsoft Copilot. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a curious newcomer, this series offers a valuable insight into the powerful tool. Learn from the industry leaders as they share their knowledge and experience, explore advanced features, and provide the tips and tricks to help you to maximize your use to this platform. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated as we continue to add more content. Today, we are going to talk a bit on the security, environment settings, or some additional settings. We are going to talk about on the field service, the different part of the Power Platforms, and of course, the talk will not be completed without talking on the Copilot. So let's begin. Since Copilot Studio is software as a service product, Microsoft seeks to deliver new features and capabilities every month. And today I'm going to cover some of these capabilities from the January months. As a part of the Microsoft ongoing mission to empower everyone with the Copilot and transform business with the AI agents, Microsoft announced Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. This free and secure AI chat experience powered by the GPT-4 allow your entire organization to start using the Copilot and the agents today. These agents are easy to create directly within the Copilot, highly discoverable, and can be published to Copilot Chat. This means that organization-wide agents can be used in a common interface by all of the employees, regardless of their Microsoft 365 Copilot licensing, making these agents more accessible to everyone. For example, a team could develop a budget agent equipped with the team-specific knowledge to help to submit the expense reports, provided financial insight, and check the policy's compliance. Everyone on the team could use the agent through the Copilot chat, even without the individual Copilot licenses. This experience is designed to be enterprise grade, offering security, privacy, and compliance feature for all of the users. Additionally, IT controls are available to manage and monitor users within the organization. The next one is shared the consumption meter for the Copilot Studio. If you remember, in the December 2024, Microsoft introduced a consumption-based pricing model for the agents built in the Copilot Studio. This new billing approach offers greater flexibility and the scalability for your organizations, allowing them to use the natural language to build agent without committing to the upfront licensing purchase. The PAYGO pays as you go metered enabled customers to pay only for the messages they consume, providing a cost efficient alternative to traditional prepaid messages pack. This model is ideal for business with varying users patterns as it accommodates fluctuating demands. Under the pay go model, customers are billed around 1 cent per message. This includes both classic, like a non generative AI, and the generative answers. Responses generated from the grounded knowledge outside of the Microsoft Graph will cost two messages. The consumption rate for the autonomous agents and the agent with the generative orchestration will scale based on the task complexity. The PAYGO meter used or uses your Azure subscription for the payment, ensuring seamless integration with the existing billing process. These meters are available in the regions where the Copilot Studio generative AI capabilities are offered. Just take an example of the billing rates for the different Copilot Studio event. If you go with the classic answers, maybe one message, generative answers for two messages, autonomous actions, 25 messages, as well as the tenant Microsoft Graph grounding for the messages are cumulative as a 30 message. By paying only for the messages consumed, organization can optimize their spending and avoid overpaying for the unused capacity. There are no features difference between the PAYGO meters and the prepaid message packs. Customers enjoy the same capabilities and the benefits regardless of the billing model chosen. However, if the purchase capacity of the messages pack is reached, makers will be restricted from creating, editing, or purchasing agent for the remainder of the months. Microsoft recommend signing up for the meters even if you purchase message packs to handle these scenarios without disruptions. The meter won't count utilization until purchase messages are exhausted. If capability is reached, published agent will remain functional, but updates to the agent cannot be published during that time. The next one here is the improved SharePoint responses within the semantic searches. Microsoft excited to announce enhanced search capabilities in the Copilot Studio, enable semantic search over your SharePoint knowledge. With the new enhanced search results, your agents can use the semantic indexes for the Copilot to semantically index your SharePoint data, providing more relevant search results. You can easily manage the enhanced search results setting from the generative AI setting page. This features is enabled by default so that it can benefit immediately without additional step. Tenant with the Microsoft 365 Copilot can create a custom agents and leverage the same indexes used by the Microsoft 365 Copilot. These tenants can also use the SharePoint and the Microsoft Graph connector for file up to 200 MBs, resulting the more relevant answer. To take the advantage of this robust indexing capabilities, agent must share a tenant with an Microsoft 365 Copilot license. Knowledge tuning in public preview. This ability to make the data-driven decision and fine-tune your knowledge is now available to everyone in the public preview. Adding knowledge to agents equips them with your enterprise-specific data, enabling them to generate the responses based on the information. However, agents can still face the challenges in identifying the correct data by leveraging new advancements in the knowledge tuning and analytics. Makers can receive recommendation and insight into how their knowledge sources are utilized by their agents, ensuring these knowledge is more robust and effective. The knowledge page, if you can see on the screen, now includes relevant analytics such as knowledge uses, errors, and the answer rates. Makers will also have an access to the suggested for the improving their knowledges, including Microsoft Dataverse tables, SharePoint libraries, or even the public websites that may be relevant to their agents. Additionally, makers can design or designate it verified and trusted knowledge sources as an official. So these specific sources are prioritized and highlighted in the response provided by the agent. I hope this all the improvement will help makers to derive even greater values for their data sources. Microsoft is not only stopping here. Additional capabilities coming soon, including further recommendation on the relevant Microsoft Graph files or the SharePoint libraries, and ability to define the custom instruction of the connectors or the SharePoint data storage. The next in the list is let's agent analyze images for you. So today, employees and customer who chat with the agents for supporting are limited to sending and receiving messages only. However, many scenarios require sending an image for the agents to analyze and respond appropriately. This capabilities is now available in public preview, and you will be getting the demo also with one of our co-speaker this month, and she will show how to upload the images and how it analyze and so on. Basically, in this, when end users upload the images to the chat, agents can seamlessly analyze both text and the visuals, ensuring a smooth conversation flow and expanding the range of the supported scenario. Whether you are a field technician attaching a photo of the faulty part for the troubleshooting, or maybe an analyst sharing a chart for insights on emerging trends, these features enhance how agents can support basically for your needs. Users can upload the wide range of the images, including products, blueprints, maps, and even the charts. To try out these features, head the Copilot Studio that enable image input under the generative AI section of the agent settings. Keep this in mind that enabling end user image upload require the generative mode to be turned on. Once enabled, see how your agents can analyze and respond to the images you send it there. Microsoft also have an exciting announcements that the Copilot Studio now support, 27 languages, and on the top of that, addition to the Arabic now. These update enhance the accessibility and the uses of the Arabic speaking users. Users can now chat in the Arabic and ask the question to seek the support, with the responses also generated in the Arabic. Agents grounded in the knowledge can provide it accurate and relevant answers in the Arabic, ensuring seamless communication. Additionally, Arabic is available for interactive voice responses agents, making voice interaction and more inclusive and effective. However, there are some important limitations. Arabic is not currently available in the UI of the authoring canvas or maker's experience within the Copilot Studio. Additionally, Arabic is yet to support it for the generative mode, which enable the agent to leverage the large language model LLM to dynamically select the best combination of the topic, actions, and the knowledge sources during conversation. Furthermore, in February 2025, the default mode for all of the talents will be changed to the enabled. Enable mode enforce the DLP's check completely for running the agents and update the existing agents. All published agents and updates will be subject to the DLP policies that apply to define the tenant. These changes will help to ensure all of the agents built and published throughout the Copilot Studio are safe and secure and follow the DLP policies defined by the tenant. Stay tuned with us for more enhancement updates. Thank you again, all of you here in the call to provide your valuable tips and tricks. Also to the audience to as well to extend your tremendous support. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share the videos within the community. Also provide your feedback in the comment section that what episode you would want to cover. If you want to join the Power Collab groups and learn along with us, just drop me or anyone us in a message or the LinkedIn. Till that, have a great time and happy learning. Thank you.